Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you something I've been working on in Minecraft Survival. A fully functional bank system. That's right, you can deposit and withdraw items, all within the game. It's been a fun challenge to build, and I can't wait to show you how it works. So, what does this bank actually do? Well, you can think of it like a real-world bank. But instead of money, we're dealing with items. You'll be able to deposit valuable resources like diamonds, emeralds, or any other item you choose. Then, you can withdraw them later whenever you need them. This system is designed to keep your valuable items safe, and also make trading with other players much easier. Now, let's dive into the mechanics. The core of the system is built around item frames, hoppers, and comparators. Each item frame represents a specific item, and the amount of the item inside the frame determines the balance for that item. When you deposit an item, it goes into a hopper. That leads to the item frame, updating the balance. When you want to withdraw, a comparator detects the amount and triggers a system to dispense the items. The user interface is pretty simple. I've created signs that will display your current balance for each item. When you want to deposit an item, you place it into a designated chest. The items are then automatically transferred to the bank vault, which is hidden away to keep your items safe. For withdrawals, you use another chest. Just specify the item and the amount you want, and the bank will dispense the correct amount. The whole system runs on redstone. The comparator outputs the signal strength, corresponding to the number of items. This signal goes to redstone lamps that indicate your available amount. I've also implemented a locking mechanism to prevent unauthorized access. The bank vault can only be accessed by the bank owner, me. Building this bank wasn't easy. It took a lot of planning, testing, and troubleshooting. I had to learn how redstone works to a deep level, but it was all worth it in the end. It's a fun way to manage your items, and it's also a great way to show off your wealth to other players. This bank makes the game a lot more dynamic and fun. It adds a new layer of strategy and planning to your Minecraft gameplay. Of course, there are some limitations. The bank is not perfect, and there are some risks associated with using it. For example, if the bank is destroyed, all items could be lost. But I've tried to mitigate these risks by using a hidden vault and a secure access system. I'm constantly working on improving and expanding the bank system. I am thinking of adding new features like interest rates, transaction logs, and more complex security measures. And maybe I'll build branches in other areas of the map to make it more accessible. So, stay tuned for updates.